In this video, I will show you how to enable Discord overlay so you can see messages and chat to your friends whilst playing games. To get started, what you want to do is open up Discord and log into your account. Once you've done that, come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto this gear icon to be taken to your user settings. From here, come over to the menu on the left hand side, and what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of this menu until you get to the activity settings section. In here, you're going to see the game overlay option. Give it a click, that's going to take you to a screen like this, and from here you can see an option at the top to enable your Discord overlay. Turn the switch on, and what that's going to do is now enable the overlay in game so you can chat to your friends and send messages and things like that whilst playing games. So that is how to enable overlay in Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.